Here's how to compare results for left and right side asymmetry in the ActivForce app. This option is only available to tests with left and right side assigned during setup. After completing the first test, use Add Left Side or Right on the test summary screen to assess the opposite limb with the same configuration. When the second test is complete, you'll see a detailed summary graph. Tap left or right to isolate results. From here, you can review key metrics. For this example, you can review peak force values and percentage differences. This helps identify left-right differences, highlight movement or load imbalances, support readiness decisions, and track progress across sessions. You can discard and rerun the test to ensure accurate data capture. Comparing left and right side results with ActivForce gives you clear, consistent data for confident decision-making. For more detailed guides, visit our tutorials page on ActivForce.com.